So let's talk about the difference between Claude AI and ChatGPT. This is Claude AI, ChatGPT, and what are the difference? So I wrote it over here. How is Claude AI different from ChatGPT? First of all, they have a different developer. Claude AI created by Anthropic, ChatGPT created by OpenAI. Now, safety. Claude AI prioritizes safety. ChatGPT also safe, but not as strict like Claude AI, but not as strict about avoiding harm in every case. Tuner personality. Claude AI more polite and careful in its answers, while ChatGPT also trying to be careful, but it can adapt to different styles. Interaction style. Claude AI described as more cautious and polite, minimizing misunderstanding or potential harm. ChatGPT adjusting to different tones or styles based on the user's input. Flexibility. Claude AI tends to be more cautious and less flexible. ChatGPT more flexible, can handle many different types of conversations. Claude AI is more focused on being safe and careful, while ChatGPT is more versatile and adaptable for all kinds of tasks. I personally use ChatGPT because it's like more friendly assistance where you can ask anything you want and it's gonna help you, even with some strict words. That's why I use ChatGPT.